I wanted to record this quick video because most service businesses, they spend thousands on Google Ads. They try it and then they quit with not much to show for it. And then because of that, they think that Google Ads doesn't work for service businesses or for their own business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to know if this will actually work for your service business, why most businesses fail, and also the 5-step winning formula to succeed. Is Google Ads worth it for service business owners, and how can you know before spending thousands of dollars? So you can do a quick validation test. First thing is is your customer lifetime value going to be greater than $2,000? Doesn't necessarily mean it has to be the first purchase, but over the lifetime of the customer, they do generally need to be spending about $2,000. Second way is, are your competitors advertising, and are they advertising over the long term? Because if they are advertising over the long term, there's a pretty good chance that it is working for them. So let's go over the 5 mistakes why most businesses fail. The first one is no negative keywords. So what you're doing is, if you don't have negative keywords in your account, you're wasting money on irrelevant clicks and you're getting searches for things that aren't related to your business or just something that you don't sell. Next is not having conversion tracking. So you should be tracking your phone calls, should be tracking your form fills. If you're not doing this, then you're flying blind and you're not able to optimize your account properly and know what is working and what's not working. Next is poor landing page. A lot of businesses, they fall into the mistake of sending their traffic from their ads straight to their homepage. So this is the biggest no-no that you can do. Don't send it to your homepage. Send it to a specific page that targets the actual search phrase that your buyers are typing into Google. Wrong targeting, showing ads to the wrong people and at the wrong times is also a reason why your conversion cost may be too high to be sustainable. So we want to make sure that our ads are showing to the right people. So you want to be geographically targeting those people to areas or locations that you actually work in. And you want to choose your times of day as well. Usually, unless you run an emergency service, a 24-hour service, you don't want to be running your ads at 2 o'clock in the morning. You want to be running them when people are actually searching for. Finally, we've got broad or low intent keywords. We want to be choosing keywords that really signal that someone is ready to buy your service. So I'll go into these in a minute as to what they actually are. So if you fix one of these things, it's going to improve your campaign, but if you fix all of them, then your campaign will become profitable. Here's a simple framework for your Google Ads. This framework will show you how to avoid those mistakes that I just spoke about. And number 2, it will set you up to win and to really get great results at Google Ads. First thing you need to do is track everything from day one. So that includes phone calls and form inquiries. To track the forms, we just need to put a piece of code on our website from Google Ads. We set up a conversion in Google Ads and that will tell Google Ads when someone has actually filled out the form and inquired. For phone calls, Google Ads does have something called dynamic phone number swap inside its console, or you can use a third-party service like CallRail to do that. Number 2 is perfecting your targeting. We want to create geographic targeting and limit it to an area that you actually service. We don't want people outside of your area contacting you. We only want people within that sort of service area contacting you. And again, with the timing, we want to set our ads. We can set up schedules so your ads will only actually show at specific times of the day on specific days of the week. Next one is choosing high intent keywords and adding negative keywords. So with the negative keywords, these are sort of some common ones that we want to add into our account. So we don't want people searching for jobs, do-it-yourself, how-to guides. So if your service is plumbing, for example, or blocked drain plumber, maybe someone will type in. We don't want your ad coming up for plumbing jobs or how to fix a blocked drain. What we really want is, blocked drain plumber in Sydney or blocked drain plumber in Melbourne, for example. And just those sort of words there, they're signaling that someone really, they're looking for a plumber right now. in their area to come and help them with the problem. The fourth point is to make sure your ads are compelling and your landing page is designed specifically to get conversions. Your ads need to tell people that they're in the right place, that what you offer is going to help fix their problem. Same with the landing page, it needs to do the same thing. It also needs to be designed specifically to get conversions. So encourage people to fill out the form or to give you a call. Number 5 is to continuously optimize and test your account. So we want to be reviewing the search terms report. You can find that in the Google Ads console, and that will tell us what's working, what keywords are working, what ad groups are working, and what's not working. And we'll make adjustments as we're reviewing that. So if we find that some keywords, for example, are costing a lot of money but not really getting any conversions, then we'll stop using those keywords. So just a quick recap for Google Ads for service businesses, and does it work? It will work if your customer lifetime value is greater than $2,000. If people are searching online for what you offer, what your service is, and you avoid the 5 mistakes that we mentioned earlier. So you want to make sure you're targeting your keywords, your landing page, tracking and optimization is right, and that you regularly optimize your account. And if you can do those things, you'll have good success with Google Ads. So thanks for watching, and if you want more help with Google Ads, there's 2 ways. Number 1, you can download the 150-page Google Ads guide for service business owners, and that will walk you through how to set up your account, all these sort of things that we've talked about. And number 2 is you can book a call with me and we can run through what you're looking to do with your account, any potential issues, and I can let you know how I can help you. Thanks.